Hello guys, today we will learn about electrons in solids and fundamentals of bondings in solids under electrical engineering materials. Let's start with the electrons in solids. In solids, 10 raised to 28 electrons number of electrons occupying in 1 meter cube volume and interact with the one another. It is impossible to determine the quantum mechanical states of all electrons and their energies. Simple model can be used to understand the phenomena. So let's consider small number of widely separated identical atoms which are gradually brought together to form a large molecule. At infinite separation, the atoms are independent and have electron energy levels appropriate to single atom. As atoms move closer together, the electrons and nucleus of each begin to increasingly influenced by those of neighboring atoms. Consider example in a hypothetical 8 atom molecule, a single atomic energy level becomes one which contains 8 components, one from each atom, and this can be occupied by 8 electrons. But the interaction within the molecules slightly modify the level structure so that single eightfold level is broadened into 8 separate levels spread over the energy of range. The disturbance of atomic level structure and degree of broadening depends on the atomic level structure and also depends on the atomic spacing. This figure shows the energy level splitting as a function of atomic spacing. The outer electrons you can see here in the figure, outer electrons energy level and inner electrons energy level is shown. The outer electron level split at large separation. You can see here it is with large separation, and inner electron level is with the closer one. Okay, so large separation, because of their charge clouds, have a greater radial extent. On average, the energy level must move down on the energy scale as the atoms are brought together, because the energy of the solid must be less than that of individual atoms for stability of molecule. In that vertical line R0 indicates or represents that for a stable structure in this case. Okay, that dotted line dashed line is showing a stability of that molecular structure. When the number of atoms, which are indicated by capital N, number of atoms are very large, the n associated level in a group be closer together and form a band of allowed energies. In general, each band is separated from neighboring bands by a forbidden band of energies. It can be proved that the joining of atoms to form molecules does not alter the total number of quantum states with a particular quantum number, regardless of size of molecule. Thus, if a crystal is thought of an infinitely large molecule, the total number of quantum states of one kind that it contains is equal to sum of such state in the individual atoms comprising it. This figure shows the energy levels in the atoms and energy bonds in solids. The actual splitting of a level occurs whenever the electrons orbital belonging to that level overlap. Thus, when two or more atoms are brought near each other and the outermost levels split first and inner level only when the atoms have interpreted each other sufficiently for overlap to occur. This is about the electrons in solid. Next, fundamentals of bonding in solids. Atoms are nearly founded as free and independent units, but usually are linked or bonded to other atoms in some manner as a result of interatomic forces. These bindings, these binding forces between the atoms are called as chemical bonds. These bonds are made up of attractive and repulsive forces that tend to hold the atoms, ions, molecules, or atomic units. That process of holding the ions, molecules, and atoms at different spacing levels are called as bondings. Now, according to the strength, chemical bonds are grouped into two bonds. Two bonds. First is primary, and second is secondary bonds. The primary bonds are interatomic bonds, whereas the secondary bonds are intermolecular bonds. The primary bonds are interatomic bonds, and whereas the secondary bonds are intermolecular bonds. The primary bonds are stronger than the secondary bonds. The attractive forces between the atoms are basically electrostatic in origin, and classification of different types of bondings is strongly dependent on the electronic structures of atom constant and hence directly related to the periodic table. There are basically four classes into which the bonds can be conveniently divided as: first one, ionic bond; second, covalent bond; third, metallic or unsaturated covalent bond; and fourth one, van der Waals bonding. These are the fundamentals of bonding in solids. Thank you listening to me. Thank you very much.